See, there it is again. That ice cream truck that keeps coming down here, and you're not believing me.
What ice cream truck?
Yeah, there's been an ice cream truck coming down here.
An ice cream truck been coming down here and you ain't told me nothing about it?
I figured you heard it. But
Always gotta have it. Why you gotta always have junk in the way? Oh, it is. Hey! What is this fire? Wait! Give me a dollar. Yeah. Get, come on, it's gonna get by. It's gonna get by.
It's not gonna be fun. He's waiting for you.
Oh, it's in the fire.
he is not about to catch that damn truck.
It'd be funny if there was no ice cream truck and there was just some random dude playing music.
Yeah, for real.
Oh, that.
You actually caught.
You actually caught the truck.
Oh man, I'm too tired to even eat it.
You really got fucking ice cream.
Yeah, you did.
Now you got something.
I got you one, but I gave you my key up. Okay, now just what the hell you looking at? Turn your camera on my face. Ah.